So in order to arrive at the equation of continuity, let's begin from Schrodinger's time dependent form. So Schrodinger's time dependent equation gives I h cut dou psi by dou t is equal to minus h cut square by 2m del square plus v of rt times psi. Let's call it equation 1. Now take the complex conjugate of this. It gives the equation minus I h cut dou psi star by dou t, psi star to denote the complex conjugate, given by minus h cut square by 2m del square plus v of rt times psi star. Call that equation 2. Here we are assuming the potential v of rt to be real. Now what we do is I multiply equation 1 with psi star and equation 2 with psi and subtract 2 from 1. So let's write this in just one equation. So this gives equation 1 times, so I h cut psi star dou psi by dou t minus, so I h cut is common in both, so we are taking it outside, and I have to subtract what? Equation 2 multiplied by psi from this. So subtract, so there is again a minus sign here, times psi into dou psi star by dou t. Okay, that's equal to, in the right hand side here, minus h cut square by 2m will be common, psi star times del square psi minus psi times del square psi star. Let's call it equation 3. You can see here this minus and minus get cancelled, it becomes plus, and we get it as I h cut psi star dou psi by dou t plus psi dou psi star by dou t. That's the left hand side, and here it is minus h cut square by 2m psi star del square psi minus psi del square psi star. Okay. Now you see that this is written as the derivative of a product of two terms, which is I h cut dou by dou t of psi psi star psi, that's equal to minus h cut square by 2m psi star del square psi minus psi del square psi star. Call this equation number 4. Okay, so we have arrived at an equation from Schrodinger's time dependent form. Now this we will simplify a bit and write, so you can cancel out h cut and h cut from here. We get a simplified form as dou by dou t of psi star psi can be written as I h cut by 2m del dot psi star del psi minus psi del psi star. Call this equation number 5. Now integrating 5 From minus infinity to infinity, we can write integral minus infinity to infinity dou by dou t of psi star psi is equal to I h cut by 2m integral minus infinity to infinity del dot psi star del psi minus psi del psi star. Let it be equation 6. Okay. So we have to integrate this over a volume, say d tau, here also over the volume d tau. So after integrating, we get this as dou by dou t of minus infinity to infinity integral psi star psi d tau is equal to I h cut by 2m psi star del psi minus psi del psi star. Let this be equation 7. If we have a localized wave packet, which is the usual scenario, then the condition is that the wave function psi must vanish, psi as well as its complex conjugate must vanish when r tends to plus or minus infinity. So this is a case with a localized wave packet. So you can see that this becomes 0 and we get dou by dou t of minus infinity to infinity psi star psi d tau become 0 in that case, which imply that the integral minus infinity to infinity psi star psi d tau must be a constant. So this normalization integral is a constant in time. Taking the probability current density J of RT as I h cut by 2m psi del psi star minus psi star del psi. Call this equation 6a. Substitute the 6a back into 6, we get say this is dou by dou t of P of RT, because psi star psi is the probability density, that is minus of del dot J. Okay, and this can be simplified to write it as dou P by dou T plus del dot J is equal to 0. So basically this is the equation of continuity that we have obtained starting from Schrodinger's equation. And this is the same continuity equation we have you may have learned in your hydrodynamics or electrodynamics. So this holds good in quantum mechanics also. It suggests that an increase or decrease in the probability density over an area is accompanied by inflow or outflow of the probability current density in that area.